Do you want some easy ways to add some summer charm to your home without spending a fortune? These 3 thrift store flips are perfect for that. Not only are they budget friendly, they are so easy and they turn out adorably. So let me show you how I made them. First up, you're going to want to visit the lamp section of your thrift store. I spotted this one and thought it was so cute with the jar handles and the floral motif on it. We're going to be using this lamp outdoors, so make sure to pick a lamp style that's not super fragile. Of course, you'll want to clean it up as best you can, and then it's time for the fun. Cut that cord right out of the lamp. All you need is regular scissors. I don't know why, but I was worried I was going to get electrocuted doing this. Thankfully, that didn't happen. Then I chose to spray paint the lampshade because it was really dingy and dirty. You don't have to do that if yours is in good condition. Once it's dried, put that lampshade back onto the lamp, and then you're going to take a solar light. I got this one at Dollar Tree. I removed it from its stake, and that little top part fit perfectly into the light bulb socket. The solar panel is on the top of it so it can charge through the hole in the lampshade. The lamp not only looks cute in the daytime, but at night it adds a little ambiance which every outdoor space needs. For your next flip, look for a sturdy and tall basket at the thrift store. Now you're going to want to look for a basket that would be used to hold things like blankets or laundry. You know, these are a little larger, so you might pay a little bit more for this type of basket, but trust me, it's worth it. Once you've got your basket, what you're going to do then is use some type of a tool or a saw to cut out part of that basket. I'm using a Ryobi multi-tool. This thing has been one of those things that I didn't think I would use that much, but I actually have found many uses for it in my home improvement projects. Here, I just used it to cut out a rectangle that measured about, I'd say maybe like 1 inch by 3 inches. It was pretty easy to cut with that, didn't take too long at all. Once that was done, I found this waterproofing spray at the hardware store, and then I applied it to the entire basket inside and out. I really made sure to cover every square inch of this basket because this was going to be subjected to water. Then I set my sights on this ugly hose reel, which is right in the front of my house. I could not wheel it away fast enough. Yes, it went to the side yard where nobody sees it. I then used one of those new slinky hoses and I threaded it right through that hole that we cut in the basket. This hose is lightweight, so it's perfect to store inside of a basket. Now, I had a lot of doubters about this project, but I gotta tell you, it has worked perfectly for me. If you live in an area with snakes, you might not want to do this though. All right, and then for this last one, you're gonna grab badminton rackets. There are always tons of these in the sporting section, and I got these for 99 cents each. The idea here is to turn them into decor that's reminiscent of summer camp fun with friends. I decided to hang these horizontally, and for each one I used 2 nails. I put 1 nail in the wall where the top center of that woven part is, and then once that was in there, I figured out where to put another nail so that the handle of the racket would be supported. I repeated this process all the way up the wall, making sure to use all 4 of my rackets, and I alternated the direction of each racket. I just thought that that made it look a little more interesting on the wall. Once I did that, I printed pictures of summer fun with family and friends on my little mini photo printer, which I will link in the description, and I fastened those to the rackets with the cutest little clothespins. These pictures are really easy to change out with those clothespins, and this is really just such a cute and unique way to display memories of summer fun. Now that you've seen them all, be sure to let me know in the comments which one of these was your favorite. I love to hear from you, and I read all of your notes. The other thing is, make sure to subscribe. This YouTube channel has primarily been shorts and a few little videos here and there, but I'm gonna try to make more full-length videos. So I would love it if you could support me and give me a follow. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.